Is your legacy MicroStrategy setup holding back your move to AI? Manual migration is slow and risky, especially with complex reports and intricate metadata. You know you need the agility of AWS, but the bigger goal is to be AI-ready. That's why User-Ready built MigratorIQ. We've helped many companies just like yours modernize their analytics and prepare for the AI era. MigratorIQ is an agentic AI accelerator that cuts through the manual effort and risk, helping you migrate faster and with confidence. The result? A 45% faster time to market and a cleaner, AI-ready environment. Our process is simple. First, our assessment agent intelligently analyzes your environment, helping you plan your migration and choose the right modern BI and AI tools. Then, MigratorIQ takes over. It uses agentic AI to intelligently convert your data models, report logic, and metadata. Unlike manual rebuilds, our AI agents learn and adapt so they can handle even your most intricate pixel-perfect reports, replicating them exactly. The output? Clean, governed data, the foundation for trusted AI insights. Finally, our validation agent ensures 100% accuracy. You can retire your old MicroStrategy servers and start leveraging the scale and power of AWS and your new BI tool immediately, knowing your data is prepared for your AI initiatives. Modernize your analytics, save costs, and build your foundation for AI. With MigratorIQ from User-Ready, your path from MicroStrategy to an AI-ready enterprise on AWS is clear, efficient, and accelerated. It's not just a migration, it's a transformation for the AI era.